Hi, this is Beth Ann. Just to give you an idea of how much snow we have already gotten already, and it's only just begun, it's to continue into tomorrow. This is just the amount of snow on top of a car. MTA bus stuck on 3rd Avenue and 83rd. Cannot move. So that voids out that method of transportation. I took three subways to get here. I took the one to the shuttle, the S train to Grand Central, to the 456 train to here. So this is how much snow we have so far. We're to get more. I can't believe it. Some cars are actually getting around pretty good, but not the MTA. Not the MTA. Look how much snow. I would have to say that's already like a few inches at least. I mean, we've already got maybe half a foot on the ground.